Okay. We're looking at the fact that the Ashwebi cannot unite Nigeria. Nigeria can only be united where there's equal law, equal rights, and justice for everybody as a whole. The same justice, for example, for me, really one also coming from Abeokuta, Ogun State, and the government should be the same law and justice for Nuhu Abdullahi from Kano. Should be the same justice for Ikechukwu Ugonna from Imo. Should be the same justice for Genekewe Mudiaga from Delta State. Should be the same justice for Haudu Joseph from Kogi State. That means all of us should be under one same law. Nobody should be seen to be above anybody. That's how a nation can grow. No nation can grow by or united by having just sewing one clothes. People say, okay, I want Independence Day, let us sew one same clothes. No, I have no business against that. But that is not what will give us national spirit. National spirit can only be achieved if nobody seems to be above anybody in the same country, where the law supersedes everybody. You saw yesterday, Yabelo, or the yesterday, according to what we read, he went to the EFCC office and came back. The EFCC said, no, they don't see Yabelo. That's now, I'm close. But we saw EFCC allegedly enter into the house of former governor Ocha. Do you understand? So if one man from this particular part of the nation is like this, another one like this, then what is the way forward? That's a simple question. Ask yourself, what is the way forward where there's different system from different type of people in one nation? That's it. So the nationalist can only come. No more quota system. Nigeria can only grow. Yeah, we see governance like a business. Nobody appoints an irresponsible man to manage his business. So you don't want to appoint an irresponsible person because it's from your tribe or your religion to be at any level of government. Do you understand? So until then, because for example, we see sports. In sports, Nigeria is playing, nobody cares where anybody comes from. People will be picked based on their competency. Look at music, look at the names you hear. Oh, Davido, oh, Whiskey, Burna Boy, Remi, I don't really know.
But when it comes to politics, it becomes a different thing.
That's the problem. Oh, we keep mentioning Era Star. I don't really know about music like that. I don't know about football and sports and politics. But then, for these names that I mentioned, they are giving Nigerians glory outside. But what makes them shine is because of their own individual capabilities. No quota system. If there's a quota system in music, Davido will still be in his father's house. But they say, Babalowo, Whiskey will still be in Ojuelegba. If there's quota system, Burna Boy will still be in maybe Port Harcourt. If there's a quota system, Victor Osimhen, African Best Bowler of the Year, might still be running with Ghana. But there's no quota system in sports, there's no quota system in music, and we are going forward with that. Then why is there a quota system in government? You will elect an irresponsible person, you're not going to pray to God. What do you want God to do?
Is the wife of the president trying to mock Nigerians with Ashwebi?
And now, maybe it's not mockery. Maybe she thinks. But again, the question should be, who are the advisors of the wife of the president? That's sometimes those advisors, some of them are they are psychopaths. They are hypocrites.
Are you telling me that the wife of the president should not be able to know at this point that what Nigerians actually need? And you are talking about Ashwebi, where millions of people are already on the point of
that's what I said.
Giving up.
Now the question is that, ask the question, who is their special advisor? We call them alatenuje in my language, psychophants. They will not tell you the truth. They will tell you, oh, you are doing well, because what they are going to eat. And I just enjoying. It still is going the way it should go. But then the advisor will be saying, no, don't worry, you don't mind them, oh, you are doing well, oh. They will be singing, they will be dancing because of what they are going to eat. So that is the problem. We know that Ashwebi is not the problem of Nigeria. Ashwebi, what nonsense Ashwebi. People are suffering, people are hungry, Ashwebi. But then, if you think Ashwebi is good, it's good. But the advisor will tell the wife of the president that people are now suffering in Nigeria. As a wife, she's a woman, a mother. right? She's a woman. A woman even have more feelings.
A South, you know, for that matter. You
Yes,
know,
God bless. Yes, yes.
how would you? Nigeria is close to another anniversary, 60 years
Yes,
anniversary.
yes,
October 1st, 1960, Independence Day,
yes,
thereabout, you know. October 1st, that's next month.
yes.
What is it that we are looking at this point? Can actually, the question is, where I'm going is that, you know, what can a Yoruba man actually do?
Yes.
Consider the fact that Mr. President, who is supposed to be sophisticated,
Yes.
a Southerner, has virtually was given a position that he would have exhibited class. Let me put it that way.
Now,
Nigerians are asking, what can a Yoruba man offer or do?
a Yoruba man, Obafemi Awolowo, our father in Yoruba land, the greatest ever Yoruba politician for life, maybe for life. He gave our fathers free education. Awolowo, a man that have brain, that can see ahead. He gave Yoruba people the first television station in Africa. Awolowo gave Yoruba people WNTA, Western Nigeria Television Authority. Now it's not NTA in Ibadan. Awolowo gave us Cocoa House. He made the first stadium in West Africa. Awolowo could see ahead. Awolowo had visions, but these ones they cannot see. They cannot even see their back. Most of them are just there for the sakes of their wives, their children, their upcoming generation. So as I'm leaving office, I'm putting my children somewhere in a strategic position. I give an example. Newspaper, army recruitment. Newspaper, police recruitment. Oh yeah, newspaper, CBN recruitment. Look for it. Oh yeah, everything recruitment, see the newspaper. Their children are there. Putting their children in strategic position. So the poor man child will suffer for life. The child of the poor man can only be used to snipe ballot boxes. What can the Yoruba man do? We've seen, I don't know, we saw the man, we saw what he did. And again, because whatever you saw, you reap. Now, our fathers, they reap what our Lord, it was not just free and compulsory education. Not just free, compulsory. That's why you see a Yoruba man, 60 years old man, he can be selling meat, he knows how to read. You see those old men, 70 years old carpenter, he can read. Because of that free education, at least you can read. But now look at it now. 2024. A girl of 10, 12 years on the street. And this time, in the school hours, talking. What does that tell you? So are they following the legacy of Awolowo? That's the question that is left open. Let everybody answer the question. Are they following Awolowo's legacy? You understand? The man gave you everything. The man made sure that, like I said, there are some protesters in Yoruba land that even for Awolowo, they will be doing conductor. There are some protesters in Yoruba land that even for Awolowo, they might be selling gala. But when after education will make us see. Let me tell you, education makes a man unfit to be a slave. Now you have read, you know the way forward. Am I right? So now, what then are you going to do? You are going to use that. You are going to use that advantage. That's why Yoruba was far ahead. No more far ahead. The gap is not even far ahead. You understand? So Yoruba have gone. We are leading on our pace. But then, they say Omi Adagun my language. It's stagnant water. No going back. So they should think. Even though all Nigerians should now think, our leaders, our politicians, what can we do to these people? But Awolowo said he had vision. The child of the poor man you refuse to train today will not allow your own child that you have trained to rest. That's why all their children are abroad. Some cannot even take their children abroad again because even in abroad, we saw how they do their own thing. Talking about gay, lesbianism and everything. So that they are confused. So make your own better. It can be done. Dubai, as of 40 years ago, was a desert. China, as of 40 years ago, in population, one of the poorest countries in the world in terms of. But now they are second in your world now. It can be done. God has given us all natural resources in Nigeria. In the ground, gold, diamonds, crude oil, cocoa. what am I even talking about? We have almost everything. And we even have arable land to farm. Again, we now have good weather. The sun comes out as when due. The rain comes out as when due. Then what are you now praying to God for? God has blessed Nigeria in all ramifications. But where then, few people are still on the Commonwealth. So the poverty is being made to seem like it's spiritual. It's not spiritual. Aye o share. No share, no share. Edu no share. It is not the devil that's the problem. It is the country. As you find yourself, the devil is not pursuing you. It is your government. Aye o share na share say aye go ti jẹun. Edu no share. It's not the wizard. No. It is the country. See people are. But nowadays, those fake pastors, those fake affairs now, they are cashing out. They are collecting money, telling you, it's not the devil, it is the country. But 1,000 naira cannot buy you, it can buy you nothing. And in Nigeria, people collect 30,000 salary, 40,000 salary. 1,000 cannot buy you anything. Then you think, oh, let me go and pray. It's not the prayer. It's not the prayer first. It is the economic situation of Nigeria that is making people feel that devil or witches, wizards are against them. No, it is
yeah,
here we find ourselves.
Yeah, October 1st, Independence Day next month, October 1st next month, under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. How would you want to see him, the President of Federal Republic of Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, celebrate October 1st next month? Or what do you think he should have done? Or what do you think Nigeria should look forward to? Considering the fact that the generals in Nigeria are seeing Peter Obi as the only person that can save Nigeria. Can we just your view on that?
First is best, the celebration should be low key.
Okay.
You cannot celebrate failure. If your child fails at school, you cannot celebrate. You can only call him and warn him out. So if Nigeria were to be a man, that man will be called an irresponsible man. A man of 64 years that has no brain, that cannot feed his wife, that cannot feed his family, and God gave him everything. So if Nigeria were to be a man, as Nigeria 64 years, if Nigeria were to be a man, that means that man is a very foolish man. So celebration this year should be low key. It should be a celebration of sober reflection. Let's let them sit down. Even our past leaders too. How have we served these people? How have they enjoyed our government? How have we made sure that their lives get better? But we saw that, like I said, our leaders, they go abroad. They travel abroad, they see what's happening. But they're not going to replicate it here. Understand? And if the generals are saying, okay, Peter Obi is the next, I don't talk about Peter Obi for now because the level is still a long way. You understand? We must find a way to get, see, the poverty level in Nigeria is you can't fathom it. People are begging for food shamelessly and everything in Nigeria. Not necessarily their fault. You understand? So, our leaders should sit down and tell themselves the truth. They have not ruled us well. That is the truth. They just everything to be a good nation, but our leaders are not ready to make sure that they just enjoy democracy.
On a last note, on Saturday, of course, that will be the last state election before October 1st, you know, in Edo State. How do you, in 2 minutes, can you assess Edo State briefly?
On what we've seen now, we've seen some reassurances from the governor and then from the presidency, even security forces. What I want to see is a free and fair election. Election should not be war. Election should be a choice where people are being given out that privilege to choose who they think can govern them. So I want to see a free and fair election. I want an election that will reflect the interest of the masses of Edo State. I want to see tomorrow.
Thank you.